Hello guys, so welcome to this web design front to back. So in this video, we'll be taking a look at how to work with premium, packages like premium themes. All right. So in fact, the domain and hosting we'll be using is going to be premium. And in our previous videos, we've been using free domain name and hosting. So in this video, I'm going to be using one of my hosting plan. So what I'll do is without wasting time, let's jump into it. So as you can see, like I told you, when you buy a domain and hosting, they're going to give you a hosting login details. All right. So now, how it's going to work is, so the first thing we're going to do on this cPanel is we need to go to our domains. This is where we get access to all the domains. So I think you're going to see we have just one domain, which is apexfabrics.com. Now, I want to create a subdomain. All right. I think we did that in when we are using free hosting. So I'm going to do same here. So we'll click on create a new domain. At the top here, I'll call it let's see, since it's an e-commerce platform, let's call it store. I'm going to call it store.apex apexfabrics.com. All right. I told you that when creating a subdomain, the main domain needs to be added, at the end. So the name is store. I'm just adding this store because I want to create an e-commerce site. So store dot the original domain. That is what makes it, a subdomain. So click on submit. So let's submit this. We'll wait for it to create the subdomain. So depending on the speed of our network, you can see it was a success. Now this is the subdomain that we just created. So what the next thing we need to do is we will need to install WordPress on this subdomain. So I'll go to WordPress managed by Subtaculous, or you can go back to tools and you scroll down, you're going to see Subtaculous app installer. All right, so here I'm going to click on install. I already have one WordPress website here, so I'm going to click on install. Here we'll select HTTPS. Then this is the name of, here we need to choose the domain. So I'm going to change it to store.apexfabrics.com. Yes, I told you you're going to be seeing this WP, so we need to remove it. We don't need it. All right, so the current version of WordPress is 6.8.1. All right, so here, the site name, we're going to call it store. We'll call it store, or we can call it ecom ecom store. This is ecom store. That's the name of our platform. So I'll hit Control V. So this is going to be ecom store. Is we need to give the site description. Is one of the best e-commerce e-commerce store in the city of, let's see, Kano. All right. So just put in city of your business. So here I'm going to add in the admin account details. So here I'll add in the admin. So I'll set this to be, let's see, let's use password at 54321. All right, so the email, of course, this is where you put in your main email, okay? Because you'll be contacted whenever you're about to change password or something else, you want to make changes to your website. All right, so let's go. This is the username, this is the password, everything's set. We need to just scroll down and select install. So the system is going to install WordPress quickly on our platform. So let's see, wait for it until it gets to 100%. You can see it's faster on paid domain. Now let's go. These are the two links as usual. This is the link to our website. You can view it to see how it works. This is how it is. Now let's click on the second one that will take us to the dashboard, to WordPress dashboard. Okay, so this is the WordPress dashboard. You can see there's nothing different from the free, WordPress that we installed in our previous videos. So it's the same thing. What we're going to do next is, of course, we've already seen all these menus here. I took you around, all of this. So what we'll be interested in, if we go to posts, of course, you're going to see we have two posts. I think at least one post or two posts. We're going to see one post. Then we need to go to, we're going to, let's go to appearance. We'll go to themes. Under appearance, we'll go to themes. Now we're not going to be using free theme. We'll be using a premium theme, that is a pro theme. Okay, like if you've forgotten, a theme is what serves as templates to your website. All right, so it's what makes web design very easy. In fact, 95% of websites that you see online are developed using WordPress, right? Now, to get a premium theme is very easy. All you need to do is to go to this page here. That is, just type in themeforest.com, themeforest.net, sorry. When you click on when you type in themeforest.net, all right, this is where you get premium theme. This is where you can purchase premium theme. But don't worry, at the end of this video I'm going to show you how to get this premium theme that we'll be using. All right, so the name of the premium theme that we'll be using is Elementor Pro, sorry, Phlox-Pro. All right, so this is the theme that we will be using. And to get it, when you come to Theme Forest, all you need to do is to type here, just click here and type in what you want to purchase. Okay, so when you type in the name, just hit enter. It's going to search that particular theme or plugin that you're looking for, and you will see it here. Just all you need to do is to click. Let's click on it. Now the price of this theme is $39. So $39, of course, is the price. For you to get this is license price. But I'm going to show you how to get this theme towards the end of this video. All right. So don't worry, you're not going to pay this $39. Okay. So you can preview. You can have live preview to see how this template works. Okay, so this is Phlox-Pro. Phlox-Pro is one of the best that I've seen. All right, so this Phlox-Pro has a lot of templates in it, as you can see. These are, I think, over 286 premium license templates. A theme has all these templates. Templates are like different kinds of websites that you can create from a theme. So like this theme now, this theme has a lot of templates, and the templates are 286. You can see we have all templates 286. Business templates are 112. If you want to design an e-commerce website, we have up to like 55 different templates. If it is services, let's say organization that offers services, we have 141. Creative, we have 73. Blog or magazine websites, we have 26 different templates. Then food or delivery, whatever. Food websites, we have, that is restaurant websites, we have 16. Then beauty and health, we have 29 different templates on this one um, theme. All right, you can see it is amazing. Phlox-Pro are amazing. You can what's it called? You can click on buy Phlox-Pro and you pay $39. You have this all. But then I told you $39 is expensive for this. I know we need something cheaper, right? I'm going to show you how to get it for almost free. So let's go. Let's go back to our store. Okay, so we are still on theme. Now we need to click on add theme. All right, now we want to add a new theme. Remember in our previous video, we searched for the theme here. That was because we were looking for free theme. That is free themes that are already in this that comes with WordPress. Okay, so we are now working with premium theme. To add a premium theme, you just need to click on upload theme. Then you choose a file. Now you need to navigate to where that theme is. Like in my own case, you can see it is on the desktop in a folder called resources. So this is the theme that we'll be installing. So I'll click on open. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get this theme. So you just need to click on install to install the theme. So I'll click on install. This theme comes with plugins. All right. So after installation, we're going to activate it and also activate the plugins that came along with the theme. Let's wait for it to install. Okay, it says the uploaded file exceed the upload max file size. So it means the Phlox-Pro theme is larger than the maximum size that is expected. So now what we need to do is we can upload this theme from the cPanel. Don't worry, it's not a problem. So let's go back to our cPanel. On our cPanel, we're going to File Manager. In the file manager, you need to navigate to public underscore HTML. Let's go to the public folder. Let's wait for it to load. Yes. So we'll go to public underscore HTML. All right. So, okay. I think we have two domains. We have subdomain. We need to ensure that we are currently logged into that subdomain. So here, this is the domain here, store.apexfabrics.com. So we need to open this. So now go to WP contents. This is the folder WP content. This is where you get to see we have plugins, we have themes. Okay, so we need to go to themes because we're trying to install theme. So this is where we need to upload that theme. So I'm going to click on upload. We'll now select the file. We're going to select the Phlox-Pro file that we want to upload. So I'll scroll down. This is the Phlox-Pro. I'll click on open. So it's going to upload it. I'm going to wait until it gets to 100%. So this is the second method of uploading, theme, either theme or plugin. All right. When the file size is too big, you can upload your theme or plugin through this method. So we cannot click on go back on this until it has turned green. So you need to ensure that this when it gets to 100%, it has turned green before you can click on go back. All right. So it means it has been uploaded successfully. I'll click on go back. So we now have the Phlox-Pro theme among other themes. So we need to extract this Phlox-Pro theme by right-clicking and clicking on extract. Then we'll click on extract. We'll click on close. Then we'll now refresh or reload this page. Okay, you can see this is the extracted file. Now I can delete this other zip file. Click on confirm. So we now have Phlox-Pro theme. If I go back to our dashboard, let's refresh, cancel. Let's go back to the dashboard. So under themes, you'll notice that we're going to have a new theme. Let's go to install themes. Let's go to themes. So you can see we now have Phlox-Pro theme, but the activated theme is this 2025. So I'm going to activate the Phlox-Pro theme. I'll click on activate. So yes, for you to activate this, you need to install the core Flux core plugin. So I'll click on install. There are three in number. So the first one has been installed. It is activating it. All right, so all these premium themes have made the web design, very easy. In fact, with this kind of templates, you don't need to work on menus. You don't need to stress yourself on working on different section of the website. You don't need to stress yourself on designing footer. You don't need to stress yourself on designing headers. All you need to do is just to change the colors of, the look of the website, the colors, the combination, you add in your logo. You're going to see how it works. So yes, the core plugins have been installed successfully. So let's wait for it to open. Yes, so this is the Phlox-Pro. You can see it is activated. Now instead of getting this at $89, you'll notice that we have the Phlox-Pro team activated here. So I'm going to show you how to get this Phlox-Pro. Now, what you want to go, where you want to go to is demo importer. So click on demo importer, where you're going to see all the templates that came along with this plugin. Can you see? These are amazing um, templates that you can use to design projects or design websites for either yourself or for your clients. All right, so these are amazing templates, over 200 templates. These are 282 templates. If you want to focus on only shops, that is e-commerce platforms, can you see? These are different templates that you can implement. You can just preview, you can preview any of them. Let's say this, let's preview, let's preview this furniture. You can right click and open it in a different tab for you to see how the template looks like. Let's take a look at this one also. This is shop for mobile and electronic gadgets. So this is for the furniture. You can see it's loading up. You need to preview to see if the website is something that you love. Wow, this is amazing. See, there is header, there is logo. All you need to do is to change this logo. Then yes, nice color, nice animation. All you need to do is to remove this product and add your own product. You've already seen how to add products, so you can see amazing websites. This is cool. This is amazing. Wow, the nice footer. Change the logo, put the address, put your social link here, put the company's contact details, your email ID, the address of your business. That is just all you need to do here. Wow, this is amazing. Now let's take a look at the second one. You can see how beautiful this website is. Within how many minutes you get your website designed and you get it delivered to your clients without wasting time, and you get your cold cash, right? This is how to get legitimate, how to print money from the internet, legally. All right, so you can decide to go with business. So you can, if you want to design, if you want to create a portfolio or freelancing portfolio websites, this is a good start. This is it. You can check out this for portfolio websites, right? Let it load. Okay, I think it's done loading. Can you see? So you talk about yourself, you talk about your designs that you've done, your projects, stuff like that. Clients you've done projects for. This is for a portfolio website. These are your portfolios. You can put your contact details here. These are your projects. This is amazing. Contact details. So all you need to do is just select the websites, the templates that you want to implement. Look at this amazing I think this has to do with architect. All these templates are amazing. In fact, if you have these templates, if you have this theme, you are done with any kind of website at all that a client is bringing for you to develop. All right, so let's see. Wow, wow, imagine the animation. Wow, wow, this is amazing. Now, how do we install this? How do we pick a template from the list of templates that are here? So when you're done previewing all these websites, these templates, let's say you're good with which one will you pick? Let's see. Okay, let's preview this. Wow, I already love the menu. Look at the menu. Look at awesome. This is the logo. All you need to do is to change the logo, change the menus that you want to, have there, change the pictures. Your website is done. So let's assume I want to design something like this. But I think um let's go back. Okay, so store.apex. Let's say we want to design something like this. All I need to do is to if you want to set up your own IT company, for example, this is a corporate website, you can preview this. I would recommend you go with something like this. This is if you have a tech company, maybe you want to have your own personal platform. Can you see this is an amazing website? Something like this. What we do, you can put your services, grow your business with us. These are blogs, your price plan. This is amazing about us. So this is the beauty that comes with working with premium teams. All right, you have team member section, we have services. These are the services that you offer. This team is amazing. Okay, these are the services, list of services that they offer. Now let's say you're done with navigating through the different templates that are available here. I don't even know which templates to pick here, but anyone, once you're done checking them out, you will just, all what you want to do is you just click on import. Let's say we're good